Greetings, RoomKeyPMS users. In this next session, we're going to continue to focus on our registry tab. So let's head there now. So up to System Configuration, to Property, and looking for our registry tab. So what I want to do today is I want to ensure that I can send email confirmations to my guests, folios as well. I also want to be able to send invoices or statements from my city ledger. So in order for that to happen, we must fill out this registry tab. And just a little tidbit about the registry tab. Everything within this tab is tied to the Windows registry of the current computer. Therefore, this tab needs to be set up on each computer. Should each staff member have their own Windows login, then each person will need to set up this registry tab on each computer that they use while logged in under their own Windows login ID. I hope that helps. So let's get started. I'm going to begin here, email host system name. So this is your, of course, there's a nice little example for us, the smtp.yourisp.com. So we need to enter the SMTP for outgoing mail. All right, so for me, so office365.com. Others out there, something like smtp.gmail.com. But again, you're going to get this information from your email account. Okay, and so next I can use the tab button or my mouse, email user account. So this is actually my user account. So I'm going to put in my name as it reflects on my user account. And then I need to populate where the email is actually coming from. So in this case, it's my email again. Okay, and next we'll continue on. We need to enter our password. So RoomKeyPMS will also keep your password a secret, but we do need to enter it. And we want to say, after we've completed this information, we need to make sure that this check mark is populated, that email is available. Okay, so next, the email type. So the preferred method is the HTML, but there are accounts out there that don't necessarily take the format. So we need to check this box. So by checking this box, if our guest, for whatever reason, doesn't accept the HTML format via email, when we check this box, it'll actually send them a link. And then it'll open up in a web browser for them. So then we are ensuring all of our guests are getting our confirmations, our folios, our invoices, our statements, all of that good stuff that we want our guests to be receiving. Okay, and then of course we need to populate our SMTP port. So if your number is 25, you can leave the space blank because the default port is 25. But if it's something other than 25, then you need to populate with the number required. So for mine, it happens to be 583. Okay, and then of course we're going to come on down here and we need to select the TLS version that is required by the email service provider. So that again is on your end regarding your email account. All right, and so really that's all we need to do to send out folios, confirmations, etc. And in addition to what we've already done here, if I wanted to add an attachment to all my guest folios that are going out, I could go ahead and browse and pick it up here and load it. Okay, open, all that good stuff. Same with attachments for confirmations. You have two options here. Same, you go in and find your attachment and load it up here. That could be maybe for confirmations, maybe you're sending them directions to the property, something like that. Anyways, that's all for now. Hope this helped, and thanks for watching.